This Faceless YouTube channel is making $30,000 every month with extremely simple YouTube shorts. Hello everyone, I'm Joe Biden, the President of the United States. And today I'll be using my last brain cell to create 300 of the same YouTube shorts in just 30 minutes. Hell, I don't have much time, I'm already 80. Now, I may be old and rich, but this is for free, and we will accomplish this using AI. I learned it from my grandson. We will be using ChatGPT and Canva, which are readily available to everyone. First, let's start with ChatGPT. I'm fast-forwarding the video because my typing is so slow due to my old fingers and my secretary isn't here. I want to teach ChatGPT to generate love quotes that follow the following format. The first part should intrigue viewers, and the second part should give meaning to the quote. I will give it examples to make sure it understands. I will now confirm if it understands by asking for a few samples about love, heartbreak, and friendships. Seems like ChatGPT understands Biden power. I'll even give him a cookie now. Because my fingers are slow as it is, I want ChatGPT to categorize them in an Excel-like format for me to copy them over to a spreadsheet later on. We will separate it into 3 parts: theme, first part, and second part. I will now ask it to generate 30 quotes, and it seems like it's working. Foothills of the Himalayas. All this was done in under 5 minutes. We are going to copy and paste this table into our Excel sheet. Amazing. My last brain cell is powering through. Now let's create these shorts. Head over to Canva and search for mobile video. Click on Create Blank Mobile Video and it'll take you to the timeline. In the search section, type quotes. It will give you a lot of different quote templates. Choose one that matches with your quote. The goal is to match the quote style of those YouTube shorts we watched earlier. I'm going to put the theme up here and label it as a boy fact. In the middle of the screen, we are going to have the quote, and at the bottom we are going to add our channel name where these videos are going to be posted. However, the quotes that were generated were separated into 2 parts. So I'm going to create a second text for the quote and place it above the first. Based on those YouTube shorts that we watched previously, the first part of the quote lasts 9 seconds long. It then pauses for a second and shows the second quote for 1.5 seconds. We are going to copy that. Right-click on the first part of the quote and click on Show Timing. This will show you the duration and placement of the text in the video. Adjust it so that it fits our requirements. First half of the quote for 9 seconds, pause for a second, and second half of the quote 1.5 seconds. Thus, the second quote will appear at the 10-second mark and the video will end at the 11.5 seconds mark. My last brain cell can do math. Finally, center the second part of the quote on the screen and we are done. Let's see how it looks. Great, our template is ready. Here comes the real magic. We are going to insert the database of quotes into Canva so we can make hundreds of different videos with just one single click. Go to Apps in the left menu, search for Bulk Create, and select Enter Data manually. Click on Clear All Data, copy and paste your quotes. I'm only going to do 10. Make sure to name each column and click on Done. Next, we want to connect the correct data to the correct part of the video. Right-click on the text on the video and select Connect Data. Select the corresponding data entry, the theme with theme, and do the same for the rest. Place the second part above the first part and we are good to go. Purple check marks means let's rock and roll. Click on Generate and we won the election. No, I'm just kidding. But hey, your 10 videos are all ready to be downloaded and uploaded. If you want to have variations of your background, simply go back, clear the data, and select a new background. Select the 3 dots and select Replace Background. Phew, that was a lot of work. I need to take my nap or I'll start speaking gibberish again. Till then, Joe Biden, out.